Hi, I'm famous TV celebrity real estate agent, and I want to endorse small town local agent. Hello everybody, this is Ray, and for this episode of Real Estate Fake Estate, we are going to talk about famous TV celebrity real estate endorsements. Is this a real thing or is this a fake thing? In many cases, it only takes a little bit of money to get an influencer to say your name on TV or radio and say, we endorse this local agent. In those cases, this is most definitely fake estate. However, there are a few who will give extensive interviews, questions, and tests to agents to make sure that they're only endorsing agents that match their same philosophy of business and top agents in the area. One of these is Dave Ramsey's Endorsed Local Providers. Groups like that take extra steps to make sure that the words they say matches the words that that real estate agent should also be telling you. And in those cases, that's real estate. So this one is a little bit of both, real estate and fake estate. When in doubt, ask them how they got the endorsement, what they had to go through, and if they had to pay money for it. That should be the dead giveaway.